I go all the way so long. From 300 to 745. How the mighty have fallen. Alright, I'll start this.
Welcome back, everybody. We're at Chicken Ranch Casino in their brand new high limit room. Come and check it out for yourself. It's amazing. We're going to play some Happy and Prosperous. I want that major. Let's go. All right, guys, we're back. These new high-limit Dragon Cash machines
Our 5-line.
5-line, $5. They're not like their other ones they had. So we put 90 in free play in, and we got 101 cash.
Want to do a couple.
$2, $10? Okay, we're going to do 2 of those like we usually do.
First
$2,
spin bonus. Here we go.
$10. Let's go, guys.
3 more.
3 more. 3.
Oh.
All right, 6 of those Dragon Balls, guys.
2 more.
Oh my gosh, or 3 of those pots.
So close. Now we are very familiar with 5-line games.
Oh, we're good. Thank you.
There we go.
Thank you for that little bit of luck you brought. It was great. We appreciate it. Oh, all right, guys.
So
Let's go.
we are familiar with 5-line games.
They are rough. Get a bonus. Let's go. Dragon Balls. Come on. Drop that major.
Because most of the ones that you could bet $5 on are 5-line.
Let's go, baby. Woo! Get us another one. Make up for Dragon Train. Come on, baby. Ooh. That grand is 50,000. We'll take that, you know. Major is 5,900. Let's go. Come on, Happy.
Here we go. One more.
Oh,
No stopping.
Happy,
Keep on
let's
dropping.
go, baby.
Come on.
1.
No stopping.
Oh, it's okay.
It's loud in the bonus.
Oh, I didn't realize this was 50.
Yeah.
Woo! Heck yeah! All right.
So technically that was off our free play.
Yeah, we still got 60 in free play.
So back to back.
Ooh,
One
one
more.
more pot. 3 pots for free games, guys. Oh, I like it. A little bit louder, though. Let's go. Come on, Happy.
How about another bonus before this free play's over? 3 more.
Oh, no. Should I do a $10 here?
It's up to you.
I don't know, guys. I don't know. All right, we're going to do a $10.
All
Mean.
right. Do one more.
Oh, look at those
100.
balls go ball.
Nice.
Oh. Come on. 4 more.
2 more.
Pot.
Come on,
Ooh,
pots.
Come on. All right, one more spin on free play. Pots, come on. All right, last free play spin.
There
Hey,
you go.
yay.
4 of a kind coins.
Uh-huh.
It's a nice win.
$82. Heck yeah,
All right.
let's go. 4.
All right, so we're up $200.
Yeah. Well, yeah, from what we put in. Let's go. Line it up, Happy.
Come on, Pots, it's your turn. Show up. Happy showing up.
Pots, come on. Oh, Jacks, come on now. Switch it all back.
$10, okay.
Get it. 2 more. Come on. 4.
Where are you
One more.
at?
Let's go. Where'd you all go? Come on. Hey. Some flowers for 5. Pots.
Do it. Oh,
Ooh,
$100
look at those.
right
I
there.
know. Come on.
All right.
Pot. Come on.
Going the wrong way here.
I know. Come on, back up. Happy, back up. Let's go.
3
3.
more. I know what to ask for.
Oh, I wish it was, a cross. Pot. Let's go. 3. Oh, you gave me 2.
Gave you 5 a lot. What's that, the filthy 5?
Yep, filthy
The
5.
filthy 5.
3. Come on, happy.
Come on. Ooh.
Happy, this is not the direction we should be going.
Nope.
Give us those pots. Come on. 4, 3.
3 more. Come on, you. Show up. Come on.
4 more. Come on.
Or you.
Come on. Come on.
One or the other.
Come on. Let's go.
It's always so promising early on.
3, 3,
3
3,
on the
3.
end. 75 is nice.
more.
3 anywhere? Curse? No, go away, curse. Come back another day.
3. What? Where were you a second ago?
Oh man.
Come on, happy. Let's get it. One
Do
more.
it. One more.
That was very mean, happy.
It's late.
Ah, you
2
gave
more
us 2
again.
this time. Come on.
We don't want 2 more. We want 3.
3,
Now do it.
3, 3, 3.
Come on. No, you didn't like the $10 bet either.
3 more. 3. Come on. Happy.
2 more? That's why he's laughing at us. You should have left. That's what he's saying when he laughs at us.
Come on, come on. Get it, happy.
Ooh, pots, we really could use your help right about now. No? No?
4 more.
Alright, here we go. Oh, no. You know what? I know it's been lagging. It's been lagging. The lucky left-hand spin. Here we go.
Pots, get it,
Do
get it,
it.
get it.
I was really hoping that it'd work here at the new chicken ranch. One more.
1 more.
Right there. Could have put it right there.
What a letdown, happy.
Come on.
2.
Sure, you can do this. There you go. Got a little ammo. 2 spins worth. Pot.
One more pot,
Now
one
do it,
more.
do it.
And we got jack.
Why go all the way so long? From 300 to 745. How the mighty have fallen. Alright, I'll start this one.
Alright, do it.
With the
Let's
lucky
go.
left hand. Here we go. Let's get
Get
a bonus,
it.
in the
Bonus
bonus.
and the bonus.
Or a re-trigger. A couple re-triggers. Nice re-triggers.
Come on.
3 more. One more.
Ooh, Fortune
Would
River.
have been nice to get a flip.
I know.
What's that? 25 times your bet?
I don't know. I know 5 of them is 100 times your bet. Get it. 1 more.
3 on the end?
3, 3, 3.
3 on the end. Come on. Oh, alright. So we got 3 games. We're Offitsville, technically.
Get it. Come on. Oh, it doesn't line up. Last spin. Come on, come on. 2 more. 2.
No. Oh.
I yelled at him.
That was alright. We got another bonus in this machine. I feel it.
1 more. 3, 2.
2 more.
Good call.
Feeling it.
All
Feeling
right.
it, guys.
Let's go. Mini, minor, major, baby. Big numbers. Oh, happy, happy. Come on. Drop 1.
Just one?
Hey, we'll take you.
One
Big
word.
numbers. Come on.
One word. I'll take it. $5.
Get it, baby, get it.
Come on. No stopping. Keep on stopping.
Come on, mini, minor, major. Show us some colors.
Words. How about a
Come
hand
on.
pay? Blue one. How about a blue one? Blue or green?
Let's go. Drop one.
No. Right now. Ooh,
Come on,
no
happy
stopping.
one.
Come on. Keep them. Keep them. This next one. $90. Alright, so gives us some more ammo.
All right, let's go.
If we get up over 200, we gotta run though. Ooh. Did I do it?
No.
Come on. Oh.
Come on, Pops.
Pots will do it.
Get it, get it. 3.
On
Hold
the end.
3. Come on. 2.
Oh, you could land. You just needed 2 on the end there. Pots, 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 baby.
Get it. Come on. Four more.
$10. Come on. One time.
Oh, hoodaboo.
2,500. That's really, really nice.
1.
I thought it was gonna happen because I lowered the bet.
Come on. Come on. 2 more pots. 2 more. One more.
$100.
Mm-hmm. 2.
There's the other 4 we needed.
4 more. Come on. 1.
Oh, only 1. We only needed 1.
Get it. Come on. Get it.
One more.
1.
Oh, that's a $250 mini.
Yep.
Would have made back all that Dragon Train game money. Coming to Dragon Cash to make back Dragon Train money. Will it work?
Nope. We ain't getting nothing here now.
Yeah, we got it. We got one more bonus before we're out. Watch.
Come on. Get it. 3. You could have gave me 3 more. Hey. Panda's yelling at us over there.
Maybe it's telling Happy to give us another bonus. Maybe he likes my shirt.
4 more. 2.
Two more.
The fudge.
Something's lined up.
This.
One cup. So that's at least, what, $50?
Decent.
That's ammo.
Come on.
It's money to put us in that bonus one more time.
3.
Oh, don't.
Come on. Give us the front and the back.
Yep.
1 more. It went by both there and there.
And then just wasted right there. Do it.
Pots. Come on. Come on. Come on. Right there.
Pots. You're not lining up for us. Come on. We've been here before.
4. Come on.
All right, last
This is
one.
it.
Do it, do it, do it.
All right, guys. That is Dragon Cash. Happy and prosperous. Give us a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe. We appreciate all of you.